Hello, I welcome you all in this presentation related with one of the diploma engineering course management, which subject code is 22509. This is the initiative of Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education Mumbai. After completing your study, you will be absorbed in industries as an engineer and has to work with human and machines. Therefore, managerial skills are essential for enhancing employability and career growth. This course is introduced to take care of these things. The course outcome of this particular course management is use basic management principles to execute the daily activities, and in this presentation I will discuss on first unit, that is introduction to management concept and managerial skill. Under this unit there are 5 unit outcomes, out of which first one is explain the concept and importance of management. The content in this presentation, we will learn about concept of management, definition of management, role of management, importance of management, and characteristics of management. The objectives of these presentations are: after this session, you should be able to describe the significance and relevance of management. You should be able to state the importance of management. You should be able to explain the role of management. You should be able to list the management characteristics. Now, what is the concept of management? Management is the art of getting work done through people to accomplish goal. Each and every organization has its own goal, and everybody working in that organization striving hard to achieve that goal. It requires a range of skills to coordinate. Management is a science because management techniques are concept based on measurements and factual determinations. Management is a process of effectively utilizing resources. This model diagram shows the concept of management. Management coordinates all together these 5 resources at optimum utilization level. These 5 resources are manpower, material, machinery, methods, and money. So management takes the care of them and utilizes them at optimum level. Management is the art of getting work done through people, and management is a science. So we can say concept of management is nothing but the art of getting work done through people at utilization of resources at optimum level, and it is a science. Definition of management is defined by a number of thinkers, management experts in their own way. Few of them are Marie Follett. He says that management is the art of getting things done through people. Mr. George Terry defined it as a management is a process consisting of planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling. Mr. Ralph Davis says management is a function of executive leadership. Donald Cobb says management is the art and science of decision making and leadership. Joseph Massey says management is the process by which a cooperative group directs action towards common goal. F.W. Taylor says, management is the art of knowing what you want to do and then seeing that it is done in the best and cheapest way. John Mill says that management is the art of securing maximum results with minimum efforts so as to secure maximum prosperity for employer and employee and give the public the best possible service. So we can say management is an art of getting work done through people by proper planning, organizing, actuating and controlling. It is the function of executive leadership. Management is an art of securing maximum results with minimum efforts. Then what is the role of management? Management ensures the goal of the organizations are achieved. Management helps in achieving the organizational goal, and while achieving that goals, management faces the various changes. These changes reflects in both way, that is the tangible and intangible form, which can be met by management only. Tangible changes deals with the changes in technology, size of organization and specialization in work and theories, while intangible changes are changes in attitude, human values and culture, etc. Means tangible changes mainly deals with the machines and technology, while intangible changes deals with the human being. Management takes the care of this man and machine both together. So management ensures that all the activities are designed effectively for the attainment of the organizational goal, and management encourages all individual activities that will lead to reaching organizational goals. So we can say management is to ensure the achievement of goals by meeting the changes which reflects in tangible and intangible form. Management encourages all individual activities to lead to reaching goals. Then why this management is important? What is the importance of management? There are few points. First one is optimum utilization of resources. Management brings all available resources, that is man, machinery, material, methods, money, etc. together for optimum utilization. Then expansion and diversification of the organization is possible due to management. Management helps organization to achieve its goals efficiently, systematically, easily and quickly. It helps the organization to face the competition, to grow, to expand and can take diversification in future also. Management helps in reduction of employees absenteeism and turnover. Management motivates people by providing different incentives to the employees, which include positive, negative, monetary and non-financial incentives. It may be intrinsic form, it may be extrinsic form. These incentives increases the willingness and efficiency of the employees and makes them positive towards the organization. Management helps in utilization of the benefits of science and technology. Daily we can see the new technology is coming in market. So management utilizes the advancements made in the field of science and technology to provide industries with the latest machines and the consumer with the latest products. Management encourages the initiative and innovations. The employees working in that particular organization, they are allowed to come up with their innovative ideas, their suggestions, their initiative, which brings innovative ideas, modern methods and latest techniques to the organization. So management is helpful in this particular case and will be helpful to achieve the goals. Management also helpful in minimizing the wastages. Management minimizes the wastages of material, monetary resources for doing work through proper arrangement, manufacturing and control. Then management promotes the teamwork. Management always builds a team spirit in the organization. The combined effort of work and unity lead to the prosperity within the organization. Then management always motivates to employees. Management motivates employees by providing many incentives, as we have seen. Then it helps in reduction in labor turnover because the selection and training cost increases. So management creates a sense of responsibility among the employees and helps to reduce the labor turnover of the organization. It also helpful in increasing the efficiency of the plant, and it is helpful in improving the quality of life of the worker. So we can say management is important from various point of view. Few of them are optimum utilization of resources, reduction of employees absenteeism, expansion and diversification in future. It encourages the initiative and innovative ideas. It minimizes the wastages. It promotes teamwork. It promotes motivation and useful for higher efficiency and improving the quality of life of the worker. Then there are the three terms: management, administration and organization. In the first look, if we see, it seems to be very similar, but there is a difference, small difference. Management is an art of managing people and their work for achieving a common goal, while administration is concerned with the decision making, policy making and making necessary adjustment. Generally, administration relates with the top level management, which consists the board of directors, owners of the industries, CEO, etc. They form the policies, they form the objectives, they set up the goals for the organization. So it is concerned with the decision making, policy making and making necessary adjustment. Organization is a framework of management. Management carries out the policies of administration through the framework of the organization. Without efficient organization, no management can perform its functions smoothly. Then management characteristics. Management has its own characteristics. It is universal, it is goal oriented, it is continuous process, it is a multidimensional, it is a group activity, it is a dynamic function and it is a authority. Universal means principles and concept of management are applicable to every type of industry, whether it is a small scale or it is a large scale or it is a teeny form, etc. It is applicable for every type of industry. All the organizations, whether profit making or not, requires management for managing their activities. Hence, it is a universal in nature. Management is a goal oriented. All organizations have its objectives, their own goals. So management helps in achieving that goals. It is a continuous process. It adopts the always changes, various changes in technology, in machinery, in environment. So it is a continuous process. It is a multidimensional. Management not confined to the administration of people only, but it also manages work, processes and operations, which makes it a multidimensional. Then it is a group activity. An organization consists of various members who have different needs, expectations and beliefs. Every person joins the organization with a different motive. So this requires supervision, teamwork and coordination, and it is achieved by management. Management is a dynamic function, means it is not a static. Over a period of time, new principles, concepts and techniques are developed and it is adopted by management. It changes according to the social changes, therefore it is a dynamic function. So we can summarize it as management is the art of getting work done through people. It is a science based on measurement and factual determinations. Management ensures that the goals of the organization are achieved and can make the tangible and intangible changes and motivate the people. Management is important for optimum utilization of resources with minimum wastages, encouraging people to work in time and improving quality of life of worker and teamwork, etc. Management characteristics are: it is a goal oriented, it is universal, it is a continuous process, it is a group activity, and it is a dynamic function. So thank you. I am very thankful for patient listening, as well as thankful to MSBT for providing this e-learning platform. Thanks.